Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 105,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.